On this land brimming with innovative vitality, an enterprise that has been dedicated to agricultural machinery for 16 years is transforming traditional agriculture with technology. AWON. Machinery brings modern agricultural equipment to farms around the world. Since its establishment in 2006, AWON has always regarded independent research and development as the core driving force for its development. Entering our modern production base, automated welding robots are precisely completing each weld seam. Laser cutting machines are processing components with millimeter-level precision, and workers on the intelligent assembly line are meticulously completing the final assembly process. Here, the perfect collaboration between advanced equipment and professional artisans ensures that every piece of mechanical equipment leaving the factory meets the meticulous craftsmanship standards, providing reliable and durable products for customers around the world. The AWON R&D team continuously optimizes product performance. We are well aware of the significant value of wood chipping operations in improving soil quality and conserving water and soil. Through technological innovation, we aim to make this agricultural process more efficient and environmentally friendly, contributing professional strength to sustainable agriculture. At present, AWON products have been serving over 30 countries and regions around the world. We not only offer high-quality equipment, but also provide comprehensive technical support and after-sales service. 19 years of dedication have forged professional quality. Every piece of equipment from AWON embodies a profound understanding of agricultural machinery and an unwavering pursuit of quality. AWON machinery, equipping agriculture with innovation and serving the land with technology.